So good afternoon everybody. This is NCRT line to line discussion. Myself Acharya Vishwendra. So these are questions based on NCRT. Let's discuss with the electromagnetic waves chapter. So there are the questions based on electric current production. Then we have two current carrying wires problem. Magnetic field changes with time. Then converge. Then we have certain questions based on displacement current. Then we have EM waves, speeds, then their measurements, Maxwell's work, then certain theoretical questions on the experiments of Hertz, then its technological manifestations, then wavelengths of different electromagnetic waves, then electric current properties, Ampere's circuital law, certain questions based on Maxwell, theoretical problems based on that, current carrying wire problems. Then we have Ampere's circuital law applied to a charging capacitor, conditions for conditions of magnetic fields. Then we have electric field between the plates, electric flux through this surface, rate of change of flux, current. Then we have questions based on total current, conduction current, displacement current, generalized Ampere's law, and the questions based on that. Then we have a time dependent electric field, then prediction of displacement current, then existence of displacement current, Faraday's laws, EMF between 2 points. Then we have concept of the changing electric field. Then we have concept of Gauss law of electricity, Gauss law for magnetism, Faraday's law, Ampere's Maxwell law. Then we have concept of capacitors and calculation of magnetic field at a point between them. Then we have certain question based on frequency of oscillation of charges and the EM waves generated by it. Then certain questions on frequency of yellow light, its wavelength, experimental demonstration. Then a Hertz experiment on that. Then certain theoretical problems on the various scientists which worked on this. Then J.C. Bose experiment, wavelengths. Then Marconi's work. Then concept of electric and magnetic fields in an EM waves. Then a capacitor based problem, the concept of charges in that, the magnetic field due to it. Then there are certain questions on Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, broadcasting and receiving radio waves creation. Then based on works of Hertz and the work of Hertz on vibration, reflection and diffraction of EM waves. Then we have the electric and magnetic fields in an EM waves, wavelength of wave, graphical variations, different variations, omega, direction of vector k. Then concept of C, frequency and wavelength relation. Then electromagnetic waves creation, then sound waves, comparison between them, medium hypothetical. There are questions about Sherlock Holmes and the famous novel The Poison Belt. Then there are questions based on electric and magnetic fields in vacuum, then permeability, relation between speed of light, dependency of speed of light on different parameters, speed of light in vacuum. Then we have consistency of velocity of EM waves in vacuum, then definition of 1 meter, basic unit of time, measurements of earlier these time intervals. Then there are questions based on experiment of Hertz on EM waves, then polarization of electromagnetic waves. Then we have questions based on energy density of electric and magnetic fields. Then we have questions based on momentum transferred by electromagnetic waves. Then we have questions based on numerical questions based on radiation pressure, force, and technological manifestation, theoretical questions on that. Then again numerical questions on electromagnetic waves. Electric field is given and we have to calculate magnetic field at that particular point. Then direction of transmission of EM waves. Then we have numerical problems based on the electric and magnetic fields in space. Then we have a relation between velocity, electric and magnetic fields. Numerical problems based on force, pressure. Then we have concept of electric bulb, electric and magnetic field at a certain point. Then we have certain theoretical problems on that. Then a range of variations of frequencies of electromagnetic waves. Then we have radio waves frequency, the frequency of rotation of water molecules, and the concept of microwave oven, which is based on resonance of water molecules present in any material without interfering with the other material. Then we have certain theoretical questions on EM waves. Then we have certain questions on remote switches, the concept of microwaves, their frequencies, different animals' contribution, then theoretical questions based on that. X-rays, gamma rays, frequencies, wavelengths, medical use, wavelengths, production, detection, wavelengths, infrared, detection of light, UV light, wavelength, UV light, production source, UV light detection, X-ray wavelengths, production of X-rays, detection, gamma rays wavelength, sources of gamma rays. Then we have concept of displacement current, expression for displacement current. Then we have EM waves due to an oscillating charge with frequency f, electric dipole. Then detection and production of EM waves. Then we have amplitudes of electric and magnetic fields, their relation. We have questions based on electric field, then angular frequency, speed of EM waves, direction of travel of electromagnetic fields, magnetic field, speed of light, numericals based on that. Then we have questions based on momentum transfer to the surface, force, wavelength of EM waves, range, interaction of EM waves with matter, gamma rays, X-rays, radio waves, transmitting Indianite size, visible radiations, oscillating charges, high frequency electromagnets, infrared waves, vibration of infrared waves. Then we have answer keys for that. There are a total of 387 questions, and these will help you to optimize your NCRT for NEET and JEE credits. I hope it works best for you. Thank you and have a nice day.